Hey everyone, just getting to you here. Yeah. So, yeah, today is a very nice day. Yeah. So probably one of these days I'll be making a chainsaw video here soon with some for you guys. Like I said, like I've mentioned in my other videos, well, in my other videos, but maybe a video, maybe two later for me said I was gonna chunk up trees before, but, one of these days I'll probably show you what it's like to cut down a tree. Um, I'll show you what it's like to cut down the tree and then chunk it up and everything, so I'll probably make it all into one video, I guess, probably show it cutting it down and then add the second part to it and then it'll actually look like, it's all in one video, but I just want to let you guys know what I'm going to be doing today. Today I won't be doing any tree cutting, so I just want to let you guys know what I'm going to be doing, though. Maybe I'll do that today, maybe not. So I'll probably maybe do that here real soon. So um, yeah. I just want to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing here. I'll probably see you tomorrow. Yeah. I just want to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing today. So I'll maybe do a little. I'll probably maybe do somewhat. No, maybe do somewhat of it. Maybe today, maybe if that. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Yeah, I just want to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing for the tree cutting videos. Alright. I will be doing a tree cutting video for you guys real soon. Alright. Alright, I'll let you guys know about the tree cutting video. Alright, now I'll talk to you guys next time. Alright. See ya.